Hey, what's going on guys, I'm the Bifty and I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove background noise in audio files such as wind, a fan, and static using the program Audacity. The download link for Audacity will be in the description below. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys me downloading and installing it from Windows really quick. There you go. So I'm just going to drag my file onto Audacity and it's going to open up. Here I have an audio recording example with some background noise that we'll be removing. I'll play it. This is a test recording of there being some noise in the background. I have my fan on and we're going to be removing this. So in the beginning right here we can hear the fan on, and as well in the back right here. We're going to keep that area selected and go to Effect and Noise Reduction. Make sure you have the same settings that I have and click Get Noise Profile. This is going to detect all the audio that sounds like the fan. Hold down Ctrl and press A on your keyboard to select the entire audio recording. Go back to Noise Reduction and press OK. Now if I play the recording again, we'll hear the big difference. This is a test recording of there being some noise in the background. I have my fan on and we're going to be removing this. And when it sounds good and you're done, save the new recording by going to File, Export, and save it to whatever extension you wish. You now have your new crystal clear audio recording. This is a test recording of there being some noise in the background. I have my fan on and we're going to be removing this. This is a test recording of there being some noise in the background. I have my fan on and we're going to be removing this. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content. More videos like this are coming soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one.